I'm Ben Ferris, Sales Manager for AKVM Construction and Roofing Group. And today we wanted to give you the full outlook and picture of what it's like to install a shingle asphalt roof. When disposing of your roof, we make sure that we protect your property as best as possible. What we do is place tarps across all the bushes and shrubbery and ornaments around your house, ensuring that we don't damage them by falling debris. We also use an equipter. This large device uses hydraulic supports and jacking systems to be able to move it around the property and dispose of the roof for wherever the guys are throwing the shingles off from. This makes the roofing job go much faster and is much easier.
The second step is to check the roof for rotted decking and fascia. We replace all damaged wood that we find to ensure we are installing the new roofing system on a solid structure. The next step in installing the roof is to ensure no horizontal water intrusion occurs during rainstorms. This is done by installing the drip edge. The drip edge should be installed 4 inches on center and should have a bead of roofing cement or an adhesive primer installed on top of it. The next step is to install the underlayment.
At AKVM, we only use peel and stick. This material is Owens Corning Weatherlock Matte. It's easier to walk on than typical granulated felt, and it has a much better bond ratio with the roof. By installing this, we're able to ensure a waterproof in the event of the shingles flying off the roof in a hurricane loss. This is not the old school felt that used to be used that requires fasteners. This self-adheres directly to the deck and will qualify as an insurance discount for you as well.
After installing the underlayment, the next step is to install an adhesive starter strip over the drip edge. The adhesive starter strip acts like an additional barrier, keeping water away from the eave.
The next step is to make sure the penetrations are sealed. Each of the roofs will have several areas where you'll have PVC pipes coming up for a plumbing relief stack, as well as curb vents for goosenecks for relief of bathroom or kitchen ranges. Each vent needs to be sealed with a large bead of roofing cement. By doing this, we can ensure that no water seeps in between the separations between the shingle, the underlayment, and such. Very important when installing a roof. The next step is installing the shingles. When installing Owens Corning True Definition Duration shingles, you want to put 1 nail at each of the ends and then 2 double spaces close to each other. This ensures the shingle will have a good hold down and also ensures the nail strip right here is nailed through. At AKVM, we're an Owens Corning preferred contractor. This means that your warranty will never be questioned about the workmanship of how it was installed. The color we have here is Sand Dune, and it's part of the Owens Corning Duration Designer line, a personal favorite of mine.
Finally, once we have the whole roof installed, we initiate a cleanup procedure where we go around with large magnets and make sure we pick up all the nails, as well as searching the roof for remaining trash and debris left over from the roof install, and remove it from the property.
At AKVM Construction and Roofing Group, we are industry leaders in shingle, tile, metal, and flat roofing in Sarasota and Manatee counties. And we encourage you to give us a call next time you have a roofing need. We'll provide you a free estimate and quality customer service and guarantee you a proven result each time, every time. Thank you very much for watching.